World Top 5 Smallest Birds. 5. Esmeralda's woodster. The Esmeralda's woodster, found in South America, is a striking hummingbird known for its vibrant emerald green plumage. 4. Calliope hummingbird. The calliope hummingbird, native to North America, is a small hummingbird species known for its distinctive pink throat and impressive migratory behavior. 3. Goldcrest and firecrest. The goldcrest and firecrest are small bird species found in Europe, known for their vibrant colors, with the firecrest displaying a fiery orange crest and the goldcrest sporting a golden crown on its head. 2. Cape Pendulan tit. The Cape Pendulan tit is a bird species native to Africa, particularly found in the southern regions, known for its distinctive appearance, including a black and white patterned plumage and a prominent crest. 1. Bee hummingbird. The bee hummingbird, found in Cuba, is the smallest bird in the world, known for its tiny size and remarkable hovering flight. Thank you for watching.